Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry, and just in time for Father's Day, I was sent this two-piece barbecue grill brush, and it's so important to keep your barbecue grills clean. This one here actually comes packaged extremely nice, beautiful. It's got the little notches there, which I'll show you how we use those. You got your 3-bristle design all wired together, so those aren't going to come flaking off, which is great. And comes in a 2-piece, so you can simply attach it together and then take it apart and store it, which helps whenever you're ready to go. Nice ergonomic grip on this guy. Loving the fact that instead of just a hanging piece, it actually has a bottle opener. That's a kind of a creative little addition there. So that way as you're out grilling, you can pop it open and get yourself a bottle of suds. But what you got to do is whenever you're going to clean your barbecue grill with this thing, feels very nice. You've easily got your bristles that can easily get in there and clean that. You've got your scraper on top to scrape off that hard stuff, but love the fact they include these little notches, because those little notches, they get in there around those little pieces like that and can get around almost around to the bottom side to scrape all that extra stuff. So you can see, you know, you get all that stuff off of there, and then when you're done, you can kind of polish it up with that, and it's going to clean it all up real nice. So this is going to work great for pretty much anyone's grill. It would work great as a gift, or keep it for yourself.